Hello friends, my name is SuNN and I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Mostly I demonstrate online, but 3 times a year I host a one-day in-person event at a local venue here in Kelowna, BC. I call it Crafting at the Lake House, and this series has become a fan favorite here on YouTube. Now I've been asked to sell the written tutorial of all 14 projects, so there is a PayPal link in the description box below. PayPal will direct you to a download site after payment where you can download the tutorials immediately. One more special mention, I have a limited number of event bags left over. If you'd like to be a part of this exclusive crafting event and have a special bag, please use the link below to fill out the form to get one. Now, if there is no link, I've been sold out. Anyway, there are 14 projects to share with you, so I better get started. Remember to like this video if you like it and subscribe to get notified when another video comes out. Hello friends, welcome to the very last video of the Crafting at the Lake House event. This is the take and make number 2 that was in the attendees' bags. Inside the bags we gave them the Something Fancy stamp set along with that pool party grosgrain ribbon and some pattern paper, and we just had a million card bases, and it was just so full of stuff. I barely could close it. So we're going to cut this Dainty Flowers Designer Series paper down to 1.5 by 3 5/8. So it started out as 3 5/8 by 4 1/4, and then we cut the strips down, and we are matting them with the basic gray pieces of cardstock that are size 1 5/8 by 3 3/4. And I am just matting them, and they're to go on that piece of pool party cardstock. And I want to make mention here that the cards that we used in the make and takes were from a pack called Good Things Cards and Envelopes. I'm not 100% sure if they're still for purchase or not. They come with envelopes, and it was something to do with Paper Pumpkin, I believe. I'm not 100% sure if they're still around. If they are, they will be mentioned in the description box below. So I have adhered my paper, my designer series paper, to the gray cardstock, and now I'm doing something wrong. So I thought I'd share it with you. The example here shows that these pieces have to be put on dimensional adhesive and not on flat adhesive. So I caught my mistake straight away, but and I made those dimensional adhesives even stickier by putting a strip of flat adhesive on there. Anyway, one of the good little tricks that I do is I put the first and the third one on, and then I make sure that the third one fits very well in between. And then that's pretty much it, you guys. We're going to put that card stock, we're going to wrap it with a ribbon, and of course the pool party grosgrain ribbon was in the attendees gifts. We're just doing a simple knot, not even a bow, but I still fussed with it for quite some time, so I just hurried that along. And then we're going to put that whole bit onto the Good Things Cards and Envelopes, or Good Things cardstock and envelopes. Is it cardstock, or if it's just a card blank? How's that? Anyway, I will put links in the description box below for everything that you may need in order to grab this particular card. Like I said, the Dainty Flowers Designer Series paper is a celebration item, and you aren't, unless you purchased it or got it for free for shopping in the months of January and February, you cannot get this paper anymore. But I'm sure you have something in your stash. I know you're probably like me, and we hoard a little bit of papers like this. All right, so the sentiment was stamped with basic gray, and it says, "May the good you do come back to you." I like this card. It looks great. And I also wanted to make mention, well, first of all, I wanted to thank you very, very much for watching this entire series. I appreciate you. Thanks for signing up and ringing the bell and subscribing. I totally appreciate everything. And here is a little treat for you. If you wanted to come to the next Crafting at the Lake House, it is scheduled for May the 21st. It is in Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada. I'll put the link to sign up in the description box below. I certainly hope that you can make it. I would love to meet you and have some crafting fun with you. Like I said, this is the only in-person event that I do, and I try to do it 3 times a year. Not 100% sure if we're going to be able to do it next year. As I have been told, they want to take the lake house and make it into a parking lot. So on that sad note, I will say see you next time. Bye for now.